Hello everyone. So today's topic is about the auscultation of the heart and boundaries of the heart and the major points of the heart. So we're gonna know where we auscultate the heart and where are the points we can listen the sounds. So majorly there are 4 points to auscultation the heart. First point is the pulmonary area that's located about the right side near the sternum in the second intercostal space. So we can hear the less sounds of the pulmonary regurgitation or pulmonary wall sounds here in this area. And another area, there is an area on the left side in the second intercostal space near the sternum. So we're gonna hear this pulmonary area, and we can hear the sounds of the pulmonary walls and any pathological sounds that we can hear in this area only. And third area is the third intercostal space, and we can hear the tricuspid walls and the sound of the tricuspid walls, or any pathological sound that appears in the tricuspid walls, any murmur sound or regurgitating sound that we can hear in this area. And fourth point is located in the mid clavicular line on the fifth intercostal space, and that area is for the mitral wall sound. We can hear the mitral wall sounds and the pathological sounds in the mitral wall, like mitral wall stenosis. There's a murmur sound appears in the mitral wall, or any other pathologies like if wall have hardened the flaps of the leaflet of the walls, and they cannot close properly, or backflow of the blood from the ventricle to atria. There we can listen the any pathologies of the mitral wall and mitral wall stenosis also. And in case of the rheumatic wall disease, we can know the pathology of the wall. So here are the points. Now we're gonna auscultate the heart, and I will show where we can perform this procedure and how we will do this. So now let's see about the procedure.
Now we will start the auscultation of the heart. So here are the 4 points of the auscultation of the heart. First is the aortic area, which lies in the right second intercostal space. Second, we will have on the pulmonary area, which is on the left second intercostal space. We will also hear in the tricuspid area and the mitral area. Tricuspid area lies along the left sternal border, lower left sternal border in the fourth intercostal space, and the mitral area along the midline of the clavicle in the fifth intercostal space. Yeah. So we will hear for any abnormal sounds in the heart, and to find out the pathologies related to the areas. So if any abnormal sound is present in the located areas, there will be any pathology in the heart. So thank you for watching.